everybody, welcome to our hillside urban garden. Today we're going to plant up a flower pot. We have to replace one that was overgrowing in our hill, so we've got a new one. Now this pot I picked up at a yard sale for a few bucks. So if you're looking for a big pot and don't want to spend $50, look on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or drive by yard sales. You usually can pick one up for maybe a quarter of the cost. So the first thing we're going to do today is that since this is going to be in our formal landscape, we have irrigation. So before I put in the dirt and plant the plants, I have run this irrigation line through the bottom hole out the top. And then once it's in place, Chris will attach the irrigation on here that'll water the plant on our regular schedule. Now, watering is really important, and when we have a lot of plants, the irrigation works out really, really well for us. So now that that's done, and it'll kind of be hidden so you don't see it outside the pot. All right, so we're gonna put our potting mix in. I've got that right here. Fill that up to the top, because if we're gonna press it down, it'll go down a little bit. All right. So we're just gonna do like this. We're gonna break up all the big chunks in here. There we go. And we'll just press it down just a little bit. You can see it's about an inch or so from the top. You can always add some later or take it out wherever you want. So we're gonna put 3 flowers in here. Again, odd numbers, they seem to work well. So you've heard the term thriller, spiller, and filler, right? So what first we're going to have is that we're going to have this Proven Winners Sparkling Amethyst Verbena. This is really pretty. It's got all kinds of different purples in there, and that's going to kind of fill in and spill at the same time. Next one we have, this one's going to grow quite tall. This is a Veronica, and this one is very Van Gogh, and it's got white spikes. Kind of looks like a salvia, kind of get tall with the spikes. We're going to put that one in the back. And then we've got our SuperBells Evening Star, again, the purple and the purple theme. So it's kind of purple and white kind of going here today. So now we're going to plant the plants. So the first thing we're going to do is that we have our time-release fertilizer. I always put that in so the plants have something to feed on. We'll kind of work that in. All right, so let's get these guys planted. So you kind of position it the way you want it. I want to put this one kind of towards the edge here, so it kind of spills over a bit. And we're going to put them in at kind of the same level as the dirt. I'm not going to plant it deeper or have it poking up at all. Keep everything kind of the same level. And next we're going to do is we're going to do the SuperBell. These are Proven Winner plants, which are my favorite. They can be a couple, maybe $1 or 50 cents more expensive, but they're very high quality plants, and in my area I can get a couple seasons out of them, so it's money well spent. So we'll get that one in here. Again, you can kind of see I'm kind of leaning them out. That's the way I want them to grow. So the last one we've got here, dug a little hole in the back, is our Veronica. That one in. You can tease the roots if you want, but they're fine. I think it's really too root bound. Okay, so got that one in there. All right. I'm just going to kind of clean it up a bit, get all the dirt off. And I can use a couple more handfuls of dirt in here. Be careful with the plants. All right, there we go. Now this plant here, I'll show you a picture after we get it placed. Sometimes when you put plants in, it looks like, oh, they're so small. Actually, in a couple of weeks, these things will probably have doubled in size. So just, keep them on a regular watering schedule, and none of these flowers need deadheading. They're Proven Winners, they don't need to be deadheaded, so you can just water them and watch them grow. So we're gonna give it, as we always do at the end, a little drink of water. So we're just gonna moisten the soil around there, give them a good drink. And we're gonna put them in place. So thanks for watching the video today, And try this at home. 3 plants in a pot from a yard sale. And I hope it turns out well. And just use the plants that you like. Pick the colors you like. It could be anything you want. So, thanks for joining us today. And remember, when you're gardening, be safe, always wear a hat, and sunscreen. Bye.